Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen flickering at low brightness on your RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. So, generally speaking, your smartphone has a DC dimming along with the BWC, if I'm not mistaken, dimming pre-installed or built into your device's display. However, you might still notice some small flickering on your screen at low brightness level, like you can see it right now on my phone. And we can get rid of this issue in two ways. Now, first of all, why is it like this? So why do we get this screen dimming at all, or this screen flickering at all? So the reason behind this is the high refresh rate set on our smartphone. So one way to get rid of this issue is by changing the screen refresh rate. So let's go to settings, let's go to display, let's go to screen refresh rate. And here you can select either auto option, which will get rid of this issue. As you can see right now, we can notice no flickering on the screen, or you can just lower your screen refresh rate to 60 or 90 Hertz, which will also get rid of this problem for you. But if you don't want to use a lower or auto refresh rate and still want to get rid of this problem, we can do it another way. So let's go to screen refresh rate and let's set it to 144 Hertz. And after that, what we're gonna need to do is enter developer options on our smartphone. To do that, first go to About Phone section in the settings. It's located at the very bottom of the settings menu. So let's go to About Phone. Here you're gonna have to find the build number and tap on it 7 times until you see this password prompt. Let's enter the password here, and then you will see you are now a developer notification on your screen. Then go back to settings and go to System and Update settings. After that, open developer options. And here, what we're gonna need to do is enable the smart refresh rate switching. So right now, let's check the display without it. As you can see, here is the dimming that we can clearly see on the screen. And now if we enable the smart refresh rate switching, which by the way will not change our refresh rate mode, there is no flickering at all with this feature turned on. And that's pretty much it. So these are all the ways that we can get rid of this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.